All right, so I want to try and show you some magic here. I'm going to show you how I'm doing a voice-activated assistant using an OSDK powered app here on the right, and how I'm keeping that in sync with a workshop application here on the left. So we're going to go ahead and record something here. Send a Slack message to Dorian, letting him know the new sync for Foundry workshop applications is working. Then send an email to him reminding him he has a meeting at 1:30 p.m. That he needs to be at. All right, so what we've done is we've gone and recorded that speech to text with 11 labs. Let me just expand this a little bit so you can see what the model recorded. It does a really good job, by the way, of picking up everything. I'm really happy with these models. What we're going to do is we're going to submit that, and what's going to happen in the background is we're going to create a state machine out of that task list using a special interpreter I wrote as part of my XReason framework for Foundry and the Foundry interpreter. And you can see here we just have this new task show up here. This is the plan that has been created from my input text. And what's happening right now in the background is it's generating the state machine using, I believe it's GPT-4o. We'll wait here a minute as the model sends back the tokens. It's a little slow because the state machine DSL is a bit verbose. There we go. You can see the state machine here. It's this JSON that tells the interpreter how to proceed based on the conditions and logic that we have defined in our statements. There aren't any here. But if we open this workshop up on the left, you'll see, oh, I'm in the same place and I have the same message, right? And so I'm keeping this workshop app synced up through this React app right now. We can't go the other way yet. We will with the new intelligent object observers for the OSDK. But for now, if I hit next here, what's going to happen is I got my Slack message, which you should be able to see here. So there's my Slack. It just went through. And then you'll also see that now I've proceeded to the right email stage, and also on the left, Workshop has proceeded to the right email or review email stage as well with the same email message. This is fucking awesome. Why is this awesome? Because what's happening in the background is we've serialized the state of this state machine to the ontology, and any system can call back into it and advance it now and pass it the new data to add to the machine's context. You can use this for multi-agentic systems. You can use this for Sagas. And what's amazing is you can actually compose at runtime based on the user requirements, the actual state machine you want to run. You don't have to know the flow ahead of time. So we're going to go ahead and hit next here. What that's going to do is actually send the email, and then it will advance the state machine to the success state for both applications. And as you can see, we're now in the success state to both applications. And I believe if I jump over to my inbox, we will see, booyah, new meeting. There's the email. So this is magic. I love it. I'm going to put this on my phone next. I'm going to use intelligent object observers to sync the workshop side as well. And then the next demo I'm going to show you guys is going to have a slick front end, and it's going to show the basically a multi-actor workflow, like where I need to confirm a time with someone and then get back that confirmed time and then pick this flow back up.